How to fix Venmo cannot login problem. So to fix this issue, scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and then turn off any active VPN or proxy servers on your device, as Venmo blocks connections flagged for security risk. Now the next what you can do is open the Venmo app, tap login at the bottom left, then tap forgot password on the login screen to get a reset link via text or email. Now the next thing what you can do is reinstall the app. Just go to the existing Venmo app on your device, tap and hold in it. Now tap remove app from the menu. Now to confirm, tap delete app. Once you do that, go to your app store, find the Venmo app and then download the latest version to clear corrupted cache. Now the next what you can do is swipe down the control center from top of your screen, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out local network or DNS blocks. Also, make sure that you select sign in instead of accidentally creating a new account with your phone number or email. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.